welcome to my channel. Today I am going to review on this charcoal face wash. It's from Calio. As we all know that these days charcoal face wash, charcoal mask all over the world and all over our social media shop. So I was shopping on the Purple. So I just picked up this charcoal face wash. So it's I used it 15 days. I used this face wash for like 15 days and it's very good, guys. I'm literally saying it's a very effective face wash, guys. It's really lasting face wash when you start at but if you have a white basin, don't use in your basin because it stain your basin and your mom going to kill you to stain that basin. So guys, it's claimed to be skin hydration. I'm not sure it's skin hydrator because when I apply on my face I have a dry skin, so it's dry my skin after I'm using this for face wash because it remove all your dirt and moisturizer to clean, deep cleansing type face wash. So you have to apply moisturizer after using this face wash. So guys, my dear have a oily skin and this face wash works very well on her skin. So if you have a oily skin, I'm suggesting you to use and try this face wash, charcoal face wash. These days charcoal, you know guys, and it contains net 100 ml for 135. It's a great deal for you. When you buy on online, you can get a discount. So here what he says, Calio charcoal face wash. This adroit charcoal based formula face wash which works vigorously to artify and exfoliate dead skin cells from the skin. It is not abrasive formula that exfoliates on a cellular level, leaving your skin feeling clean and so. It definitely when you use this face wash, you definitely feel like you have a deep cleansing. Your skin is a deep clean. And it's very good when you apply your makeup and you directly take this face wash and apply and wash it. Your makeup completely remove. I use when I feel very lazy and don't use oil or any makeup remover to remove the makeup. So I use this face wash to remove my makeup. It's very helpful. I'm definitely going to link this face wash in the description box, so you can go and check that out. And best for external use and not tested, and it's also not tested on animal. It's a cruelty free product, and it's also a vegetarian, and guys, it's also a vegetarian kingdom. So that's all, and it's a vegetarian product. You can see the green mark here. So guys, that's all for the charcoal face wash. So guys, here I'm using this face wash to remove the makeup. So guys, you can see how it works and remove the makeup very easily, and your pores feel very clean. And so I have a thumbs up for this face wash, and I just want to show you guys that how it works. So I hope you like this, and please give a big thumbs up for this video, and don't forget to comment down below if any review on any product. Just you have to comment down below. I would love to review on that product. I hope you like my video. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.